shipping phrases. First phrase of shipping is advances against shipment. So outline will be advances against का omission, then shipment, SH and MNT. Next is free on board. Then for free, reverse form of F, free, and half length of BR, board, and on का omission. Next is advances on acceptance. So similar outline for advances. Advances and acceptance. S tenses, acceptances. Next is London office of the bank. Then downward L in half length, London, then office and of the commission, and for bank we use the stock B. Next is bill of lading in set of 4. So for bill we can use the stock B, ठीक है, intersection करके. So we start the outline from lading, then L D N G, lading, and in set of का omission, and then F R 4, and for bill B. Next is Marine Insurance Act. So Marine, M R N, then Insurance Act. Board of Trade Regulation. Board, then trade and regulations. Next is marine insurance policy. So M R N, marine, then insurance and policy. Next is cable exchange rate. So cable exchange and rate. Merchant Shipping Act. For merchant, MR, merchant, then for shipping, SH and Act. Captain's receipt for documents. Then captain's K P T N S, captain's receipt and documents, disjoin करके DS, documents. Next is nature and cause of damage. Then nature and commission, cause and damage, DM, damage. Case of total loss. Case, then T and TL, total, then loss, LS. Case of total loss. Next is not responsible for the damage. Then not responsible and this join करके damage. Cash against bill of lading. Then for cash we can use the K, cash, then B, L, bill, D and G. फॉर बिल के लिए B, ठीक है, अगेंस्ट का ओमिशन. कैश के लिए हमने K यूज़ करा. फॉर बिल के लिए B स्ट्रोक एंड लेडिंग. देन पोर्ट ऑफ लंदन अथॉरिटी. देन पोर्ट के लिए P स्ट्रोक, देन डाउनवर्ड L एंड हुक एंड N. लंदन अथॉरिटी. Clear? Chamber of Commerce. Then chambers and commerce. Next, remit draft on Paris. Downward R, M in half length, then DR, F hook, draft, then P, R, S, Paris. Next is charter party. Then charter, doubling principle यूज हो रहा है डबल लेंथ में. Then party, intersection. Next is remit proceeds of bills. Then R, downward R, M, remit, then PR, S, D, S, B, L, bill. Constructive total loss of cargo. Then STV, constructive total loss of commission, then cargo, G, and prefix, कौन का prefix. Consular invoice. K N, consular invoice. Consular's invoice. Next is salvage charges. S L V, salvage. C H, charges. Cost, insurance and freight. CIF. So first we make the outline of cost, insurance and freight. Next is shipping, documents and closed. So for shipping we use the SH, shipping, then documents and enclosed and closed. Next is documents of title. D K S, documents of commission, then T and TL, title. Next is telegraphic codes. So for telegraphic, TL, telegraphic, then codes KDS, codes. Next is endorsed and confirmed. So endorsed and confirmed, FRMT, confirmed. Next is to be approved by the underwriters. So to be then approved, PRV, approved by the commission and underwriters. So double length of R, underwriters. Next is errors and omissions expected, E and OE. So errors and omission, then omissions and expected. Next is value to be declared. So value, then to be declared, RD. Next is foreign general average. So for foreign we use the stroke F. Next is general and average. Voyage policy, V and J, voyage and policy. Free of general average, then free, general and average. Weight subject to correction, weight, then subject and correction. Free on rail, FOR, then free, RL, rail. York and trap rules. So for York and then drag, and for downward L, S, rules. Clear? So these are the phrases of shaping, related to shaping. Okay? So whenever you are writing the paragraph or a notes for the shaping, so and you can use these phrases for shaping.